What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. This is going to be a quick look at the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. These are the Wayfarers, and the first thing you're going to notice is the classic Ray-Ban case. It looks like the classic Ray-Ban case, but this one's been kind of snazzed up a little bit. Your charging port C+ here is down at the bottom. This is your Bluetooth connection button. And the snap actually has a light in it to tell you at a glance when your Ray-Ban glasses are fully charged and not yet fully charged. So as I pop it open, it turns green. That means it's fully charged. Get a nice Ray-Ban cleaning cloth with your purchase. And we'll set the glasses aside real quick. They rest on this bridge. You see those little metal contacts. That's how the glasses charge in the case. There's also this space that's taken up that I think there's a battery in there. So you can actually charge the glasses inside the case. We'll set these aside for a minute. All right, and these are the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer smart glasses, and these are the ones with the transition lenses. I like the transition lenses. I want to be able to wear them outside while driving, but also indoors and not have shaded lenses inside, right? First glance at these, they look like a pair of Wayfarers, right? You've got a sensor and a camera on either side there. The frames don't look too overly large. They feel like a nice pair of sunglasses, but they don't feel cheap. They also don't feel heavy and blocky. These are the large frames. You can actually purchase the Meta glasses in various sizes, which is nice. I've already got a smudge on the lens, which is nice. All right, so looking inside of the glasses, here is going to be your camera and toggle button. You can also touch and toggle sounds or whatever on the side here. There is a power button right here. We'll go ahead and flip that on and set them down. Now, you have to be patient with these glasses and allow them to boot up. I've seen some complaints of people saying they're not connecting or it's taking too long to connect, that sort of thing. My advice is to just give it time. Go through the setup on your phone. It walks you through, and it's very easy to do that. Now, you can connect these glasses outside of the app through your Bluetooth. And when you do that, you're going to run into some issues. You're not going to get the Meta AI when you do that. As you can see, that LED light flashed a few times and then has now gone dark. So these glasses are ready to wear. But yeah, anytime there is a problem with your glasses, this LED is going to blink. If they're booting up, it's just going to blink white. If it is blinking white and orange, it's updating. And there is a solid white setting as well too. I don't think they're still booting up when it's solid white as well. So yeah, these are great for if you are someone who reads a lot, audio or listens to audiobooks or podcasts or studies a lot. If I were in college and I had these and I could just keep textbooks on roll all of the time, school would have been much more easier for me than having to set aside to physically sit there and read through some pages. But the sound quality is great. Being able to create content with these is another reason I purchased them. Basically, you can just one click of the button here and you take a picture. You click and hold and it'll record video. You can set the settings up to 3 minutes of video. The video quality has been pretty good. No complaints there. It's perfect if you're reviewing products or doing how-tos. If you're a real estate agent, these would be great doing a walkthrough in a house that you're selling. So there's all sorts of uses for these Meta smart glasses. I went with the Wayfarers. I think the Wayfarer frame is the most widely sold sunglass frame in the history of sunglasses. So when these companies are releasing smart capabilities inside of, you know, glasses. Of course, their marketing team's going to be like, which type of frames do we want to pack this into? And, you know, down the road, once they know what people like, they'll probably have their own proprietary kind of frames. But the Wayfarers are as good a guess as anything, right? These are widely sold, widely worn. People like them, and they're just kind of standard in the sunglass world. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. So far, so good with the MetaSmart glasses. I've enjoyed them, especially if you like to read, learn, audiobooks, podcasts, that sort of thing, and create content. These are an awesome option. Thanks for checking out the video. Y'all take care.